Hi teachers, this quick video is going to walk you through how to make that stack of shapes or stack of images within Google Slides or Google Drawings. Oftentimes we want to use this so that it looks like there's an infinite stack and students can almost clone and drag multiple things over. So you would use this when you have multiple shapes or images that you want them to drag around that are exactly the same. So I'm going to start with just a circle. I am going to color my circle green. And the first thing I want to do is click on my circle, and I want to make sure that my circle is not near any other text, because if it is, it will make it a challenge to select everything. So if you already have text on your slide, I suggest you bring that shape way out to the side, and I'm going to throw some text on here just so that you can understand what I am talking about. Okay, so we're going to first do the circle over here, and then I'll move it over so that you can see. So I'm going to take my circle, I'm going to hold down Control and push the C for cat once. Once I do that, I let it go. All I did was make a copy of it. The copy is on the clipboard, which you don't really need to know where the clipboard is, but it is out there in cyberspace. Now I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard and hit the V for victory, V key, however many times I need copy. So I'm continuing to hold down Control and I'm tapping the V key. If I hold down the V key, this will go berserk. So you don't want to hold it down too much. So tapping the V key so that you get your stack. So now I have a stack, but this would take me hours to drag all these on top of each other, and I probably wouldn't get it nice and perfect and lined up. So what I need to do is I need to use my mouse and either go up to the very top left or the very bottom right of the stack. I'm going to click with a left click, hold down, and drag around the entire stack of circles. When I do this, I'll notice that they are all highlighted and all of them are selected. So once they are all selected, I'm then going to right click on the selection, and from the align, I'm going to first, you can do either one first. You have to align both. So you're going to align horizontally. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I tend to just do the left. So you'll notice that they're all in a nice line, and then I right click align vertically, and again, doesn't matter which one you choose, top, and you'll notice it looks like I only have one circle. So if I need to move this batch of circles, I don't want to just click on and drag. I actually want to drag my mouse around the entire thing so that it selects all the circles behind this, and I move the whole stack at once. Now students will be ready to click and drag out circles. Obviously, this stack is not infinite. It will run out when there are no more circles to drag. I am going to drag a few circles over by my text box so you can see what happens if you have the images near text or other objects when you go to select. So if I try to select my circles by going to the top right or bottom left and dragging over all of them, you'll notice I also select the text box as well. Now, you can unselect the text box by holding down Control and clicking on the text box only, but I'll be honest, I find it easier just to keep all of my graphics out of the way of all of my other objects. So now I can right click, align horizontally left, right click, align horizontally top, and I have my stack of circles back. So you can do this with any object that you want to put on the slide. You can even do this with text. It is a little bit harder to drag a bunch of text boxes around, but they can be stacked. I think this works best with images, shapes, or other things of similar nature.